Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie. I'm in the craft room and I am bringing you the latest Felicity Jane kit from March 2018. It is called Henley and normally it comes in a black and white striped box and it's all beautifully packaged, but there's a lot of stuffing or crinkled up paper. It makes a bit of a mess, so I thought I'd take it out of the box so that we don't have to deal with that mess. As always, the card comes with a thank you card that just in this case it says hello beautiful. Don't chuck these out. You can use them for making cards or as an additional 3x4 pocket page card, so make sure you hold on to those. Let me get organized here, take some of the stuff out of the packaging, and then I will be right back and we will go through the contents. Okay, so let's start with the pattern paper. I don't have any of the extras, so this is literally what you get in the kit. So I will show you both sides and then I will just face up the side that I think I will probably be most likely to use. So Felicity Jane is known for their florals, and this is no exception. There is this very large bold floral print. It's got a teal green background and then this peachy corally pink flowers. This one's called Floral and Chevron, and then the B side of that of course is this black and white chevron, which can be a little bit squirrely on the eyes. I like to use this kind of paper as a border, so where you only see a little bit of it peeking out, but I will likely be using the floral. The second sheet, which you've already gotten a hint at, is called Scallop and Leaves, and it's the colors of the collection with this sketchy scallop border, sketchy scallop lines, and then which you can easily cut out if you wanted to, or of course leave as is. And then the other side are these leaves. The branding strip on here is like almost a chevron or zigzag with dots, made of dots. So that's really fun. Then there's gingham and hearts. I love me some gingham. This is no exception. It's this pretty soft pinky peachy color. The other side is black and white hearts in a grid pattern, and the branding strip is a peach stripe. Then there is retro and dots, so it's that teal green in this retro pattern, and then on the other side is a black polka dot on a white border, and then the branding strip is a sketchy line, or 3 sketchy lines of 3 of the colors. So it looks like each one of these pages has a black and white page on the B side. Spots and sketch. So this is a dot pattern, a structured dot pattern, not a random one. And then on the other side is this, what is this pattern called? I don't know. I can't remember what it is. It's kind of got like a bohemian kind of texture to it, I guess. That's that one. Then there is fountain and dotty stripe. So I guess this is supposed to look kind of like a fountain, each one of these. It's basically a geometric pattern. And then the dotty stripe is the black and white. The branding strip is that goldy yellow on a diagonal. And then you always get 2 sheets of solid cardstock, only it's not solid in the sense that it's not the same color on both sides. It's usually one side is one color and the other side is something different. So it's a great option because you really get more paper. It feels like you get more paper to work with. So let's see, let's do that one and let's do this one here. Okay. We get some pom-pom trim, so like almost like a ribbon, I guess. That's kind of fun. We get some sequins, and these sequins are pretty cool. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. The sequins look like little starbursts, really. They are like a antique gold, so not super shiny. And what I really appreciate about Felicity Jane's kit is that stuff like this comes in a container, so it's already packaged in a really user-friendly packaging, so I don't feel like I have to transfer this to something else. The other thing we got are these enamel dots in the colors of the collection. I love that there's quite a few small ones, and the large are not super large, which is really great. We also get some washi stickers. There's 27 pieces in this, and this is what they look like on the back. I don't think we've ever had washi stickers before, at least not since I've been receiving the kit. We've had washi paper, like 6 by 12, but never washi stickers, which probably means that they will be slightly translucent, so you will want to watch what you place them on. If it's a dark cardstock or something, it may change the way the overall image appears. They always have a great alphabet. This month's no exception. It's all lowercase, which is fun. Lots of numbers. I kind of have a thing with the numbers. I struggle with what to use them with, but you know what? If I don't use them now, I can always use them at Christmas for December Daily, right? So these are a gold foil puffy, so very pretty. The ephemera pack, I'm just going to hold that up instead of opening it all up, has a variety of the florals. It's got a bunch of labels, stickers, hearts, that kind of thing. And then Henley herself, who is this pretty casual young woman. Yeah, so that'll be fun. Then we have some Project Life cards. We always get 3 by 4 cards in the kit, so I'll just go through that quickly. The back side of the cards have either a dot or a grid pattern, okay? So there's this pink chevron, there's a teal floral, there's this black sketchy stripe. This card says follow your heart. Then we've got an ombre in the dark coral colors, almost to like a burnt orangey pink. I don't know. I'm really bad at describing colors, aren't I? This is a pretty general card, just a big white spot, I can't speak, with the black diagonal at the bottom. This one says today. Here's that beautiful floral, but on a white background instead of the teal. This one says living right out loud. Then we've got a dot in the teal. We've got a frame with that dark coral color, and then a journaling card with a number of spots where you can write a list or something like that down. So that is that. We also get a package of wood veneer. As I said, everything in Felicity Jane comes already in a, well, not already, but it usually comes in a pretty useful organization tool. The only thing with this one, of course, is they put the what do you call it, the crinkle paper in just to protect the wood veneer during transportation. I like to get rid of it because otherwise I get it everywhere or I find it everywhere, and that's not such a good thing. So it looks like we had a heart. This is a circle with an arrow. We got the words that say today, a speech bubble that says hello, a banner that says lovable, an ampersand, a couple bows, and a little tag with a heart on it. So those are super cute and will be very easy to use. Let's just pop those back in the container. And I think my most favorite part of the kit is the stamp set. So every kit always comes with a stamp set that is exclusive to Felicity Jane. You can't get it anywhere else. They come in like an Avery Elle type pocket, but look at this. You get to create your own florals. It's one of those multi-stepped images, so you usually start lighter and work your way darker. So this would be the base of the flower. You would stamp that in the lightest color, and then this would be a slightly darker, and then this one darker yet, and then you get the leaves, and you only get 2 for that. So this would be in your light green, and this would be in your darker green. The words say love, grow. There's a heart with stripes, making time for what matters, currently loving, fresh start, and more of this. And of course there's a little stamp that says Henley on there. And that, everyone, is the Felicity Jane kit for March 2018. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed, and until next time, happy crafting.